Hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Dr. Ted Pettis. You caught me folding towels on a boat. That's right, one more episode of Men Folding Clothes. And I'm on a lake here in Appalachia. And we're going to explore the folding habits of some of the men of Appalachia. And I have a big surprise in store for this episode. Not just any sort of Appalachian individual, not just a musician, but we're gonna see if banjo players can fold. Male banjo players folding clothes. Let's see what happens. I'm excited and curious about it myself. Let me finish this towel here, hold on a second. Notice folding in thirds. That's the mark of a true folder. Which I haven't seen many men do that. I'm going to show you something else very unusual in folders of my gender identity. There we go. We've essentially completed the folding. It's ready to be stored on the shelf in its proper place. But I'm going to unfold it and refold it. You've never seen a man do that before. Now, I've demonstrated it with a t-shirt before on this show right here, but I don't think you've ever seen a man do that with a towel. So very good. I unfolded it because I wanted to fold it a little bit. That third was a little bit off. I'm doing it on the deck of a boat here. That's just an extra challenge, but also a very manly way to fold. You couldn't imagine a much more masculine sort of folding than folding a blue towel on a blue boat. God damn, that's masculine. There we go, and I'm gonna go for just one more thirdsy. So I think Marie Kondo would be proud of me. There you go. So we're just kicking off the episode of Men Folding Clothes here, the Appalachian edition. We'll see what happens when a banjo player tries to fold clothes.
I play the banjo, it's the machine gun of notes, and I'm coming to you now with words from my throat and from my heart, because that's the place it should start, especially if you want to be true to your art. I love all things that make a positive impression. Positivity, in fact, is the lesson that I'm stressing. Don't walk around, spread negative vibes, keep your eyes on the prize. Try not to ostracize yourself from the love that surrounds us, everyone. Life's too short, I just want to have fun.